Écoutez. Good morning. Yeah, it is 5:30 in the morning in my village, and I woke up to this beautiful sound. How you can hear that? Birds are chirping, cocks are crowing, and I'm just standing in front of cows. This sound is gold. You wouldn't get this one anywhere. Relax. You hear the sounds of nature, every corner, left, right, center, and check this amazing sunrise out. Wow, jeez, so wonderful and very beautiful. Did you see that? You would love to stay here. This is so amazing. So yeah, this is the start of my day. I'm going to be taking you along as activities pans out, and if I see anything interesting, I'll introduce it to you guys. So stick around and watch. In an African morning, and in the northern part of Ghana, whenever you wake up early in the morning, you have to sweep the yard. As you can see, the girl is over there, or the lady is over there sweeping. Yeah, you have to sweep around the compound and make sure it is very clean. Hey. When you look around, like they've just harvested everything. I'm now on my way going to a garden where they plant onions or shallot, vegetables, and a lot of stuff over there. So they're going to water it and irrigate it. So I'm just on my way with my bicycle. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, this bicycle is taking me there. Yeah. Stretches to that end over there to this side. As you can see, this line or whatever, is it a dike or a line? That is what holds the water. So in the rainy season, when it rains, the water will be stored here, and then in the dry season, people will be using it to irrigate or water their onion farms behind that massive line over you can see over there. This massive line you can see over there, and for the cattle to drink here. And people also use this water to build as well. Yeah, to build their houses. And as I was talking about, this is somebody's onion farm garden. They just planted it, so it's not yet grown as compared to others. Somebody's garden. So he fetches water here. He fetches the water here and irrigate the onion farm here with gallons. So that is it. So we are heading to the other side over there, behind the dike, to use some water in their farms. As you can see, it is flowing. This water is flowing to that direction over there, and those over there we use it to water, and those over there too, as you can see. I don't know whether the camera is doing justice to those irrigation over there. That is how it is done here. So the water spreads over. This is the key. So it is operated over there for people to use it. This is the key. Or used to open it.
Hey, get in the pedede. Get in the pedede. Siga pedede. Okay? So, you say, but I can't eat it.
Gomala.
My baby. Hello. Okay, let's see if you have a speller. Hey, you go back to my bolos. Yeah, I'm not old. My bolos. You're babbling.
Yo, nana put this come out. Hakim, how are you? I said hello. I said hello. I said hello. As you can see, they are over there doing some washing. Yeah, that is how laundering is done in an African village, somewhere in Ghana.
Aku buat apa lah,